Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. I am so freaking pumped you're here because this video is an unboxing video, which I know y'all love and I'm super excited about because I have a box from Lily Jade and it's filled with not just one item, not just two, but 4 different items that I'm so excited to share with you. So let's dig in right now. Okay, here we go. I think I'm opening it upside down, to be honest, which is probably a mistake, but we'll just accept the fact that we are not perfect people and just go with it. This is so fun. Lily Jade has upgraded their boxes, and now it says Lily Jade all up inside of here. Okay, we will start with the biggest item first because that's kind of the fun way to do it. I know what this is, but you don't yet. Okay, maybe you do because I put it in the title. This is the Lily Jade Carolyn. My favorite color is always camel on a Lily Jade bag, and I have not seen this one in person. Let's just get everything off of it. It has great front pockets, 1 and 2 and 3, bottle pockets, huge ones on the side here. Back pocket holds the tuck-inable, that's a word, backpack straps back there, and we're unzipping the top. Ooh, this is so pretty with the it's like a beautiful light gold wipeable lining. We've got the messenger strap. We've got pockets and organization and all of that. And I am seeing so many of you on the Lily Jade Facebook page and the BST and chat pages that are obsessed with this bag, and it's for good reason. It is A, so good looking, and B, just like an excellent size for everyday carry, but you can also use it for travel or what have you. So look for more fun content here on my channel and on my Instagram at Megan Kingsford, coming super soon for this bag. Okay, like I said, we still have 3 more items, so let's go biggest to smallest. I don't know if you follow along, I kind of assume you do because you're here, with Lily Jade's Instagram, but they just released their packing cases in new colors, and I haven't had new ones since maybe like 18 months ago. I use my teal ones all the time, but I am super pumped. I know, I'm like a very straight as an arrow kind of girl. Like I love the teal, and I was like 1 shade over to the blue. Yes, sign me up. These are so cute. They do have silver hardware, small, medium, and large. If you haven't seen those before, that's kind of what's in 98% of my Lily Jade packing videos. I'm always using these. I do prefer them over the insert because you can just like grab out what you need and go, and it's always easy to use, and it's got a cute little wristlet strap. Anyway, super, super pumped about those. Look at them spin! Next up, we have something here. Well, got a text message, hold on. Husband says, hey. Hey, husband. Okay, actually he said I looked real good today. Kinda true. I think he's hoping for a little something, something. Okay, I have not seen this item in person at all. I've seen it on all of my favorite YouTube mamas though. They all have one, and I'm so excited to join the club. This is the Crossbody Wristlet in black leather. I decided to go bold, and also because it just has like a really super classy vibe with, if I can get it out of the plastic for you. Okay, now we are talking, this is what I mean. A super classy, kind of edgy vibe because of the gold hardware, the black leather. It's something I definitely don't have anything similar to. And then it has like the cutest fringe tassel you've ever seen. And inside it has like credit card sleeves and a zipper. I kind of think this is going to become a date night bag because it's so freaking cute. And also like my mom clutch inside my bag. I'm gonna give it a try, let you guys know what I think in a video probably coming at you eventually / soon. Which leaves us with the one last item in my bag. This is the extra strap you can now purchase through Lily Jade's website. I went ahead and picked out the khaki and camel strap. I just think it's super, super pretty, and obviously look really, really good with the Carolyn bag. Also in the camel color. I'm gonna put this on my Elizabeth too, which I have. So I just thought I could switch it back and forth and it would look real good. Yeah, I think I made solid choices today. Okay, that is everything that was in my Lily Jade box. I'm so freaking pumped about all of it. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you're not already, at Megan Kingsford, so you can see that hashtag Megan loves Lily Jade, which has all of my photos of Lily Jade bags that I've ever taken, which is a fair number at this point. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything that is upcoming on my channel. I'll see you guys in a video super soon. Bye!